What's up, y'all? It is finally pumpkin spice season, and I am going to show you guys how I make these pumpkin spiced stuffed French toast using Hawaiian rolls. So if your local grocery store is out of pumpkin spice season, you can always make your own. So I'm starting off with 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a little bit of allspice, ginger, some ground cloves, and a dash of nutmeg. Now we're going to make our wet mixture, starting off with 3 eggs. I'm going to use my pumpkin spice coffee creamer and about half of that pumpkin spice blend that we made. So now for my filling, I'm going to take a half of an 8-ounce cream cheese and about 3 tablespoons of that sour cream and a cup of powdered sugar, and we're going to mix that very well. You also want to make sure your ingredients are at room temp, otherwise you will have lumps like I did, and I had to pull out my hand blender just to make sure everything was nice and smooth. Add a splash of vanilla and a little bit of that pumpkin spice seasoning. Now we're going to make some holes into our Hawaiian bread. And don't be like me and do this the hard way. Get a Ziploc bag and fill your Ziploc bag with that filling and cut the tip. And then we're going to squeeze the filling inside of the Hawaiian rolls. All that is left is making sure your Hawaiian rolls are well coated in that egg mixture. And we're going to put a little bit of butter in that frying pan and make sure that we fry these up on all the sides. So you want to rotate them every minute or so until they're nice and golden brown. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend, and I will see you in my next video.